welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Pretty sure it's 5. I'm just heading home from work today. I didn't actually vlog this morning. I just want to apologise for the real rapid finish to yesterday's vlog. I don't know what the hell happened to me. I came home from work. I did a bit of cleaning. I told the kids to do their chores, so Jessie just had to empty the bins and Jamie had to empty the dishwasher. And I said, you know, like I'll start dinner once you guys have finished that. And my eyes were feeling really grainy yesterday, like really gritty. So I put some eye drops in and I just went and sort of lay down on the bed for a minute just with my eyes closed while the kids did their chores. That was at about 7:45, 8 o'clock, something like that. And I just fell asleep until the next morning, until 6 o'clock when my alarm woke me up the next morning. So I do apologise. I had a whole heap of extra stuff I was going to film for you guys. Like I was going to film me cooking dinner, us having dinner. I was going to do my opening of my advent calendar, which I did early this morning and tacked on to the end of that video really quickly. But yeah, wow, I think it was just all the late nights because I've been, you know, not getting to bed till after midnight, between midnight and 1 o'clock. So yeah, and then getting up at 6. I think it just all caught up with me all at once. But I'm definitely refreshed now after what, 10 hours sleep. I don't know what is wrong with my hair today. It is really just feral and horrible. Oh, okay. Now, why is this TV going? So annoying. Okay, I'm just going to quickly make live yesterday's vlog. Then I'm going to cook some dinner and then I'll open some of my packages. Walk. Bloody Rolly's being a shit today. He's just being so stubborn and not wanting to do what he's told. Good. Boy. That was pretty good. You're such a show-off, Rolly. You're a show-off. So, before we can start cooking dinner, I have to clean up everyone's dishes. The dishwasher's empty. There's no reason they couldn't have gone in there, but Mum will be home soon, she can do it. So today we're just making some roasted turkey legs. My kids absolutely love these, and our dogs love these too. These are $7.50 a kilo, and there's about 1 kilo in the packet. So that's like half a kilo of turkey leg each. I don't do anything fancy with them. I basically just put them in a roasting tin with some butter and salt, and that is it. They're delicious. I think the trick to turkey though is to not cook it too quick, otherwise it gets a bit tough. This one, very excited to receive. It's from Pottery Barn, Australia. I had no idea Pottery Barn was even in Australia. So, yeah, it was one of my Insta friends, Michelle. I'll leave a link to her channel below. She's got a beautiful farmhouse style house in Queensland as well, and she had it displayed as in her Christmas decor, and oh, it just looks so good. And yeah, she told me that she actually got it from Pottery Barn, Australia. I'm like, wow, I didn't even know we had one. So the minute I found that out, I jumped online and ordered it, because oh, I have been chasing one of these for, I reckon, in all honesty, I mean, I've always liked them, but in all honesty, I've been actively looking for one of these for about 3 years. And I mean, we just don't have them here in Australia, and if you do get them, they're like over $200, and I really sort of struggled to pay that much for it. Oh my God, it's huge. I'm so excited. This is a 3-tiered galvanized tray from Pottery Barn, and it was I think it was $90. I think it was on sale for, I think I had about 20 or 30% off, which basically worked out, you got the postage for free, because I think postage was about 20 bucks or something like that. So yeah, I was super stoked. I'll put it all together and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh my freaking God, look at that. Look how awesome that is. Oh my God, I'm so in love. And it is massive. It is so big. Like, look at it compared to my little IKEA one. Ooh. Jesus. I'm gonna have some major decorating to do on that thing. Oh, that is awesome. That makes my kitchen look tiny. Look how big it is. This is a full-size pineapple. You don't understand. Look how big that thing is. Wow. I love it. So if you are looking for a galvanized tiered stand for a reasonable price, I mean, I thought it was pretty reasonable. I mean, it's more than I normally spend. It's not Kmart price, but for $90 and how massive it is, I'm really loving that. Oh my God, I wish I had it before I decorated. I would have put a heap of Christmas decorations in that. Well, I've got it for next year. I'm so happy. Okay, last unboxing for tonight. I'm going to sign off and try and get this video uploaded so it's a little bit earlier than today. We'll do my Body Shop advent calendar, and I'm going to have a nice cup of tea, sit down for about half an hour and then go to bed. It's been a long day. Okay, so today we have the 5th. All right, 5th. Oh, that's easy. There. Okay, so this one says, save water, cut your shower time down by one epic song. I like that. All right, let's see what we got today. Oh, another bottled one. Oh, the strawberry shower gel. Let's have a sniff. Oh, it's not my kind of fragrance. It's nice. It's strawberry, but yeah, I'm not really into strawberry. I might see if Jessie likes that one. She might like that. But yeah, that's a nice little shower gel for today. And let's put our thing in now. See, maybe I'm getting them. Ah, that looks like it makes sense. Okay. Maybe it is going to make some sort of something that makes sense. Well, we'll soon find out. I can't see any pictures on here that look the same, but yeah, starting to take some sort of shape. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog today, guys. I'm just going to finish editing it and having it uploaded to you, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.